Today's video is in partnership with Princess Polly. I have to do the work for the Lindas. Cut me a coin. I'm gonna share with you guys the basic necessities you guys need for this spring going into summer. Yeah, before I tell you guys all about these pieces, make sure to use my discount code HAIR to save some money. Just so you guys know, Princess Polly ships within the US. They also have free express shipping 3 to 4 days to the US on orders over $50 USD. Princess Polly also offers AfterPay and ShopPay to all US customers. Make sure to use my code. Listen, Linda. I have to start off with these shorts that are a staple. These are the organic cotton fern cuffed denim shorts, medium. I love the light wash and the mom short vibes to it. However, I don't have a lot of space to work with in terms of legs. You know, she's only 5 feet. I love how easy fix it is to just roll it up to your preferable length. Although these are size 8, they're pretty loosey-goosey, which means there's more space for me to fill up my stomach. There's no complaining about that. I transformed these shorts shorter to give my thighs a chance at life. I am so obsessed. It's very 90s look, which gives a very lovable approach. The biggest thing for me is the placement of these pockets. That is key if you have a small, eensy-weensy, flatty, invisible booty. Like my assicle, see? With the pockets being more outward, it literally draws your hips out. Makes you look like you have a bubble butt from the bit. For spring and summer, everyone always has the pair of shorts that they go for, and these are mine. I had to pair these shorts up with this iguana beige top in size 8 or medium. I love beige on my skin tone because it's just so natural. I feel like earth tones just give my complexion a very likable look. Can never go wrong with neutrals because it complements everyone's skin tone, their skin color, shades, dimensions. It just brings out the best in you and that good attitude. This is definitely a staple top to have as we're transitioning into spring. I know you guys can see it, Linda, but this new cut around the chesty bestie, I guarantee you is going to trend like crazy this spring and summer. Mark my words. Yes, it holds them in place, snuggles them. To be honest, it's kind of odd for me to wear a crop shirt that's super short in length, almost fitted like a bra would, because I'm so used to my crop tops being a little longer to cover my cookie rolls down here, you know? It even mimics a bra with the wiring underneath. So yes, it's like a cup. 2 cups. I love how form-fitting it gives shape and construction to the saggy titties. It absolutely brings out more plumpness and juiciness with these shorts. Ooh, it really does the job. It's cute, right? Again, just be on the lookout for this. This is the next top. This is the zuri top. I got it in size 8, medium. It's pretty much the same concept except it's collared. And I do feel like this one's a little shorter at the back especially. So breezy. I've always had a thing for ribbed collared cuts. It gives a very sexy, mature look to your body. I'm an atmosphere model vibe. I sit around to make you look expensive. Again, there is this wiring underneath, but this one has a crossover right in the center. I love how this collar looks like it's scooping upward. Makes your girls look way more plump than they are. It gives very bikini vibes though, don't you think? All I know is this ribbing makes me look skinty. Here's the gray tank top in small medium, and you guys, in person, this actually has more of a yellow cream color versus like a white cream. It feels like I'm wearing Spanx that binds to my body. It's also ribbed, so of course I'm getting that I've lost 5 pounds look. Okay, so here's what I think that's interesting about this top that I feel like everyone should have to stick out like a sore thumb amongst your friend group in all good ways. The cut is very deep on the side, revealing your babuski, but that's the purpose. Very much this can look like an average wife beater, but with this deep scoop on the side, it's a blessing because you are a main character now. From the front, do you see how this top makes me look super thin? She looks skinty, she looks curvaceous, especially with the help of this banding down here. I look tiny. And fair warning, your chesty besties are gonna poke out like mine, so it actually helps with that illusion. If I turn sideways, it gives me just enough side boobies to where I still feel comfortable. I don't feel like I'm a leak. And again, this material is so similar to like Skims. I have a lot of trust in this top. Wait, honestly, this top does make me look like I've lost 5 pounds. A top that makes you look like you lost weight? What an illusion tarnation. Safe, secure, sexy, and most importantly, confidence boost level 100. So I thought thought it'd be fun to pair it up with these shoes. Look at them. They're like sneakers but boots, like hybrids. Everything I'm wearing, I'm gonna link down below. Also like this necklace. I also picked up this tote bag. Summer picnics. I can't wait. And look how much height it gives me. Super comfortable. Wow. These are the Stacy jeans in size 8, and they actually fit a lot tighter if I'm comparing them to the shorts. It is snug, okay? So you might want to size up on this one. I do love the darker denim. I feel like it brings out the ragged side of me. So they do have these cargo designs like the floppy pockets and a bit more lining all around the legs. But I love how the cargo does not look too extreme or heavy, and I can still achieve that edgier side without it looking like it's weighing down my legs, because let's be honest, I don't have a lot of it. I actually appreciate how long these are. They're not too overbearing. You'd expect like cargo pants to be very overwhelming, but girl, if I were to put on the same sneakers, oh my god, what the heck? Perfect. I'm really happy I went with these cargo jeans. Can you just see how well these jeans pair with t-shirts like this? This is the New York graphic tee, size medium. Listen, Linda, spring doesn't have to be all about dresses, pastels, florals. Spring can be crop t-shirts and solid jeans. I love the ribbing of this t-shirt, especially the red and this baseball t-shirt mimic. It doesn't look like you're trying too hard. It's just easy and tasteful with the bare minimum. The red actually speaks louder than you think, but it's perfect, especially if you don't like wearing loud colors. Just a little bit like this can draw a lot of attention without you feeling like all eyes are on you, because like, I'm shy. This is a Rolling Stone crop tee, also a medium. Again, you see a theme going on here. There's something just so adorable about this like baseball mimicking style. I thought this blue would be super flattering paired up with jeans, and I'm not wrong. It's super comfy and it's not too tight around my armpit. So you know, there's room for it to breathe and sweat. Thank God it's actually white down here, so if I were sweating, you wouldn't be able to tell. Maybe you can smell like, I don't know. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. The bridge is being crossed. Just kidding. Super simplistic. You have to get a baseball top like this. It has to be the most fluent appearance for everyday wear. Easy peasy. This is the iguana rib top in the size large. I saw the model wear it and I was like, damn girl, take my money. There's nothing wrong with wanting to be a little spicy and casual at the same time. I say it all the time, you see it all the time. I like to embrace my body. There's nothing wrong with that, it's valid. This top is so good at making me feel cozy and is very close fitted when it comes to handling my chest besties. Very flattering for someone with a short torso like me. And also it's in black and you can never go wrong with that. Just makes you look slimmer. Thank you. -5 pounds again. Dang, did I lose 10 pounds in this video? The minimal sleeves actually add a lot of character to this top, but the elephant in the room is definitely this deep scoop. It's just such a desirable cut. It's exciting and seductive, but it's kept at a very casual pace. No pressure. It's just sassy, okay? And it's that confidence boost that I love that Princess Polly gives me. They just give a lot of juice, okay? Nice! Before we end this haul, I was like, okay, let me just share one dress that I picked from Princess Polly. Okay, listen, Linda. I'm a little vulnerable right now, okay? As confident as I can be sometimes. I just don't have the right undergarment on right now, so I feel a little bit like exposed. But what have y'all not seen on this channel, honestly? Doesn't this look like some type of bridal dress? So there's this tulle on top that actually blends in your stomach lines, your lower belly, a little bit of the foot bra. The mesh lacing actually picks up the dress a lot and makes it look super flirty and girly. It is lined with elastic on the inside to grip onto your skin, but if you are gonna be a sweaty girl dancing in this dress, good luck to you, because nothing stops boob sweat. The sweetheart tracing actually helps out with that endearing look. So cute! I actually really like the polka dot look. It's very subtle, but it creates this very like carefree atmosphere. The more I look at this dress, I'm not like the biggest fan of it because it kind of swallows up my frame. I don't have a lot of curves to work with in the first place, but I think if I wear the right undergarment underneath to literally handle my love handles, fit me like a glove, the dress might look really cute and snatched. I don't hate it. I think we can make it work. I did pair this dress up with these boots right here. They're cowboy boots and I don't own any. I thought they were super fun and I have really big calves, okay? Like really thick calves. I think I could crack a bear open with my calves. But the boots, they fit. And you will know, not a lot of boots fit well when you have choking calves. Really good self-defense. There's not a lot of height to the boot. The heel isn't super high, so it's very comfortable to wear and just like play around in. Plus the pointed toed makes me look longer than your boyfriend. Just kidding. These boots are so cute.
Not me realizing that I did not close out this video. Thank you guys for watching today's haul. I hope you guys got to see clothes that actually fit me because you know how that goes. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you try